short.
This is the res. This is where it all happened when I was growing up.
Yeah, but when it's a good day, the place is filled with like 30 fishermen.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's overfished now?
You can imagine they don't want a dog in the water, right?
Yeah, so this is... They fish year round here then?
What's that?
Do they fish year round? Or mostly in the summertime?
No, I think once this is closed, you know, everyone's pretty much done with.
That's far.
Yeah, you gotta cut him out. He's bothering me all day.
This will tire him out, won't it? Will you sleep all day then? Or not?
No, he'll be ready for that. Afternoon, he'll be ready again.
Does he sleep a lot during the day or just at night?
Both.
Yeah.
He takes, well, yeah,
Takes a lot of naps.
In between, so he gets all ready to go again. But he doesn't really like staying up past like 9. He's ready for bed.
We got beaver here. Couple shoes. Are you ready, Charlie? Are you ready? How's he do? I like the noise he makes before or as soon as it's thrown. Oh, this is beautiful under these hemlocks. Yeah. Good job, good job. Good job.
Good boy.
Good boy, bring it back. Bring it up.